Multinov presents UAView HD, the result of a specific development. Designed for indoor visual inspection in confined and industrial environments. A 4K camera with a resolution of 0.15 millimeters per pixel. Stabilization optics, allowing GPS-free navigation in a complex environment. A 12,000 lumen lighting system, allowing you to fly in total darkness. A LiDAR to secure the flight for roof inspection. UAView HD will allow you to carry out photogrammetry in order to have a 3D model for more in-depth technical treatments. Detect technical faults with its camera that can be rotated through 180 degrees. In particular, on its 360-degree collision protection cage. Full HD video feedback in real time with a robust link. UAView HD reduces the human risk during technical inspections. It also saves time and money for your end customer. UAView HD is your future partner for confined space inspection.